So it's raining outside and have nothing to do. I don't know if you can hear the rain. I just close all the doors, close all the curtains so we can't hear anything from outside. And today we're gonna be talking about the apps, the photography apps I used in my phone, and how you can also use this to enhance your photos and upload it in any social media platforms in a professional look and in stylish looks, or yeah, whatever looks you want. So let's roll first the intro. What's up mga besh, mga bay, mga dudong, and today we are on another episode of tutorials. And no, not really tutorials, just sharing. I'm gonna share to you the apps that I am using in my phone for my photography. So let's just get an overview, and I'll make another or separate videos in each app, in-depth tutorial, their basic useful tools and other hacks. So let's jump into the video. So let's go over to our phone, and you can download these apps in Google Play Store if you're using Android, or Apple Store if you are using iOS, or yeah, Apple. So it's a sponsored video. Let's go to our folder here. So first is Snapseed. So I am using this app for 3 years now, and it's my go-to app when I want to have some simple retouch, have some borders, the one that I'm using in my Instagram, the landscape one, since you can just easily drag the white border to have this effect that I am using in my Instagram. Next is the Adobe Lightroom. So this is my primary app that I am using right now. This is where my presets are saved, my go-to editing tool, everything that I do first in my photo, I'm doing it in Adobe Lightroom. Next is PixArt. So I downloaded this app because sometimes I want to have some stylish effects, to add some lens flare, some stylized effect that you can't find in any other editing software. So I'm using this one also to enhance some HDR effects, some old school film looks, stylized, whatever you call it. And then the camera 360, just a beauty cam. And the Jiggy one, I use this one for some funny pictures that will turn into videos, like some dancing, something like that. Just a fun app to make fun of your friends, whatever. You have some enemy, you want to make fun of them, so just use this app. Just Jiggy app. Jiggy app. So next is Drop Shadow. So I use this one to have some feel or another look. You can put your photo in the frame that you want to have a 3D effect. You can adjust the shadow, etc. And the Collage Maker, mainly for my collage. And the Camera Connect. It's not really in editing app, but I just included it here in my photography so it won't be misplaced. I use this app to basically transfer my photos from my camera to my phone, from RAW converted directly to JPEG format. This is very useful for me. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or including the Camera Connect, 8 apps that I am using in my phone. So just if you have some questions, more tutorials that you wanted me to do on that particular app, just comment down below. And if you like and love this video, if you learned something from this video, please do hit that like button below. It really helps a lot. And yeah, YouTube algorithm. So please do hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed yet. Please do so. Hit it, smash it, whatever you do. Peter McKinnon style, 2021 style. And.
Renesix, alam mo na kapag naririnig mo to, nasa kabilang banda kami nang hinahanap mo.
Kung
pam 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 pam.